we will turn off the engine, we'll turn off the car, and then we will restart it, and it should stay off. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to delete our automatic start stop on our Toyota Rav4. So I got this module or piggyback harness, whatever you call it, and we're gonna install this one out in here so that we can just forget about switching or turning off our automatic start stop. I know a lot of you guys hate this particular feature. Me personally, I don't like it because the first time I got this car and then all of a sudden the car shut down and I totally forgot that it has this particular feature, which I don't like. So I got this from AliExpress. So it comes with this and the pry tool on the packaging. So it comes with that one. That's all you need basically. And let's start by removing our climate control panel so that we can have access to the back of the button. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna remove our climate control. So we're gonna use the tool that they sent us. I think this works. There you go. So just pry it using the pry tool that they send you. There you go. So we remove it, just unplug this one out in here. It's being held just by one harness. Okay, so before we can remove this button in here, we have to remove this panel and this silver panel in here. So we have to remove all of that. I tried to pry it out from here, but it's not a success. The cable was removed though from the button, but I cannot pry this one out. So we're gonna do it the right way. So we're going to remove this. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna try to pry this one out using one hand while I'm filming. There you go. I was able to remove it. I still need to pry out on the side. There we go. Try to access it here. Well, you know, I'll try to remove this. Okay, I'll put you guys down. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we remove this and clip this, there's a 10mm bolt in there that we need to remove so that we can remove this trim in here and access this one. All right, almost drop it. There you go. So yep, so just remove this. Let's put it on the side. Now what we're gonna do is gonna pry this one out so we'll have access to this one so we can pull it out. All right, I'm gonna try to use the pry tool they supply. And let's move on the other side. lift it up. So now that we got this one out, lift up a little bit here. We're just gonna pull this one out. There you go. And we'll have access to the control now. Okay, so as you can see, the wire is unplugged already from the button itself, and we're just gonna plug this one in here, and basically that's it. So we're gonna try it in a moment after we install it. So let's plug this one in. Okay, so I decided just to remove the button, and now we're just gonna connect this. It'll be very easy from here. There you go. Then this one goes to the factory wire. If I can plug it in. There you go. So it is plugged in now. So that one, the factory button. Now we have one in the middle that cancels this one out, and then connect it basically. So it's a piggyback. So we're just gonna put this one out together, and we're gonna try it. All right, so now let's try this one out. There you go, it turned on. So there's a little bit delay in there, but once you start it, it will turn off the auto start stop function of the car. So it works. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.